English Standard 3, Lesson number 13. Let's wait. A monologue. So, this is the lesson.
Hello children. Subject English Standard 3, Lesson number 13. Let's wait. It is a monologue. What is monologue? A speech by one person. So in this lesson, a girl is talking to herself and she is very sad that no one is caring her. Now let us see what she is speaking. When things go against their wishes, little children sometimes feel very sad and lonely. They don't realize how much the people around them love them. It's only when they wait and think properly that they understand it. Let's hear what girl has to say. This is the worst day of my life. I am feeling very sad. You may not believe it, but I am the saddest person on this earth. So this girl is talking to herself that this day is very worst. I am feeling very sad. Why she is feeling very sad? The reason is that nobody loves me. I have a family, mummy, daddy, granny, and a younger sister. So this is her family, but no one is caring her. That is her feeling. That is why she is very sad. I have been sitting here behind this sofa for the whole day. Okay, the girl is telling that whole day I am sitting behind the sofa, but no one is caring me. Okay, for the last 8 hours, again she is changing her motto and she is telling that okay, not for whole day, but it is for 8 hours. Then again the girl is saying, all right, at least an hour. So she is telling that for an hour she was sitting behind the sofa and no one is caring for her. Okay, at least 10 whole minutes and no one has noticed. The girl is saying that for 10 minutes I am sitting behind the sofa, but nobody is noticing me. So for that reason she is very sad. Sometimes you also feel like that, isn't it? They are all interested only in my sister. Even when she cries for no reason, they all rush to her, pick her up and give her whatever she wants. So dear children, do you have younger brother or sister at your home? Do you feel the same feeling like this girl? Yeah, sometimes you feel when mummy and papa takes care of the younger ones, you feel that you have been avoided by them, isn't it? So this girl also is feeling like that, but in fact they don't do like that, isn't it? I should go away and live in some interesting places. So the girl decided to go away from the home and she wants to go some other place and stay there. This is all her imagination. I think I'll become a hermit and wander in the mountains and forests. What is a hermit? A person who do not have any association with the society. That means living alone. So she wants to go to mountains and live like a hermit. Then she is telling, I will eat the fruit on trees and make friends with birds and animals. The girl is telling, I'll go to forest and I will eat fruits on the trees and I will make birds and animals as my friends. So she is feeling like that. Then again she is telling, or I could ride away on a camel and live in a desert. So now she wants to go to desert and live there. Then again she is telling, at night I'll sleep in a tent. So she wants to make a tent there and she wants to sleep in the tent. So like that she is imagining, I'll go here, I'll go there and all. But is it right to do so? No, isn't it? Always our parents take care of us. Again she is telling that, or better still, I'll travel to the North Pole and live in an igloo made of ice. So North Pole means the place where it is covered with snow. Igloo means a small round house made of ice. I'll make friends with polar bear. So she is telling, I'll go to North Pole and I will stay there and I will make friends with polar bears. So the girl is imagining like that. So now let us see the meanings of difficult words. What is the meaning of a hermit? Hermit means a person who lives alone apart from society. Wander. What is the meaning of wander? Walk around aimlessly, moving here and there. Igloo. Igloo means a small round house made of ice lived in by Eskimos. Hello children. So here, while the girl is sitting behind the sofa, her younger sister came behind her. At the back of her, she touched her sister. So when she touched, the girl felt very soft and she is saying like this. Let us see what she is telling. What's that? Something soft against my back? Oh, it's baby. What are you doing here, you silly? Go away, don't smile at me. Why do you follow me? Chee chee. Is there nobody else in the house to look after you? So here, while seeing this small baby, the girl was irritated and she got irritated and she is telling, so what is this soft? Oh, it's a baby. Why are you following me? So the little baby is doing whatever the girl is doing. So by seeing that, this girl is telling to her younger sister, why are you following me like this? Don't come here. You may bump into something and you will get hurt. And I will get all the scolding. So the girl is telling, you come here and you bump, then you will get some hurt. And by seeing that, our parents will scold me. Scolding means datna. So they will scold me. Why are you coming behind me? Why do you have to do everything that I do? Copycat. Why are you copying me? Like that, she is talking to her younger sister. Then, after some time, she realized by looking at her, and she talks very smoothly to her sister. See what she has done? Oh, never mind. Really, the people in this house, they should look after her better. I am a grown-up girl now. I can manage on my own. But what about this little baby? Come, baby, let's crawl out from here. So this girl, now she realized that my younger sister is too small and everyone should take care of her. I am grown-up girl, so I should not worry about myself. I can manage the things by myself. So everyone should take care of the little one. That thing she realized, and she talks to her younger sister happily, and she wants to crawl with her out, and she wants to play with her. That's why she is taking her into her hands. When I go away, I'll take you with me, or you will keep crying for me all the time. The girl is telling, if I go out, I will take you out with me, otherwise you will cry. And they won't even guess what the matter is with you. I really can't go away when you are so small. Let's wait till you are a little older. So the girl is telling, you just grow little bit, then I will take you out with me to play. So like that, the girl realized, and she again pats her younger sister. So like this, the lesson ends with this monologue. Thank you.